Konami burned the house and got the commercial pulled. This one has no label. This one is badly yellowed. Removing the yellowing. Apparently in a Thai village, they actually burned a wooden house. Maybe the burning house was too intense, so the commercial got pulled shortly after. But Seibu Kisatsu was blowing stuff up every week. Since the 1990s began, it's felt more and more restricted, opening it up. This side has through-hole pads, all holes are open in one line. This one here. Only 3 holes are filled. This electrolytic capacitor is slightly tilted on this side. That's about it. Everything else is the same, the edge is rusted. Ear pick. Magic powder.
Oh, give more tea.
Moisture collects in the hole to prevent rusting. Electrolytic capacitor is gone. Refill complete. New battery. Old battery. Zombie body fluid. This is the original liquid. Level 2. Tears of Gen Z. Level 3. Strengthen the base. Wanting UV exposure? Hard. Magic medicine. Let's make the terminals last longer. Screws 2. $19.93. Suppressing yellowing. See you in the future.
Perfect body.